Hello friends, welcome to my vlog for the day. Heading to somewhere in Africa, and Africa has always been a nice destination for tourism and tourists. So this is my vlog, making use of the aviation. I know some of us do use the ship traveling through the water to different country, and it's actually fun. So this is me traveling and taking a trip to somewhere in Africa, catch up with friends. There's nothing as sweet as when you're on the sky and you're having a good thoughts of getting to meet your friends. Sometimes the AirBus you enter also matters. The flight company matters. The kind of AirBus they give, not the kind that you will be on the air and you are scared, or probably when it's landing and you kind of become frightened. So it's actually fun being on the air, thinking of how you're going to catch up with friends and catch up with colleagues, going for businesses, and also visiting a tourist center. It kind of make you calm and helps your mental state. Yes, and so it's fun, and meeting friends was actually a nice one. And it looks like you always want to go back again and catch up with them. You know what it looks like when you meet friends, you go for a tourist place, you go for shopping, you try new food, you learn new languages, and you learn new things. Traveling has a way of exposing you to new things and making you see life from a different perspective from what you've known before. Yeah, so it's a good one, and we hope that we have a pleasant kind of trip all the time, and we always want to come back and meet your friends again. So this is my vlog for the day, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to press the button, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And so the kind of aviation system we make use in Africa, I think is nice. Flying through the air, trying to see how it looks like, and it's actually fun. And I hope to see my niggas soon. Thanks a lot.